Eid Prayer. The Eid Prayer is a special prayer that Muslims perform to mark the two main Islamic celebrations, namely Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. These prayers are considered an essential part of these festivities, and it's highly encouraged for all Muslims to participate. Eid al-Adha. This festival commemorates the Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son Ishmael, in obedience to Allah. The Eid al-Adha prayer is performed on the morning of the 10th day of al-Hijjah, the final month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It coincides with the annual Hajj pilgrimage. The Eid prayer differs from the 5 daily prayers in Islam as it does not include adhan, call to prayer, or iqama, second call to prayer. The prayer consists of 2 rak'ahs, units of prayer, and has additional takbars, utterance of Allahu Akbar, meaning, Allah is greatest. It is typically followed by a sermon, khutbah, and is performed in a congregational setting, often in large open areas known as Eidgahs. The Eid prayer is typically performed in a congregational setting and consists of 2 rak'ahs, units of prayer. It's slightly different from the regular salah, prayer, in its format and the number of takbars, the saying of Allahu Akbar, which means, God is the greatest. Start the prayer by making the intention, niyyah, in your heart that you're praying the Eid prayer. 2. Say the opening takbir by raising your hands up to your ears and saying Allahu Akbar. 3. Perform the additional takbars. There are 7 additional takbars in first rak'ah and 5 takbars in the second rak'ah after each takbir. Lower your hands and fold your hands on your chest after the last takbir. After the Eid Salah. 1. After the Salah, it is sunnah to listen to the khutbah, sermon, which the Imam will deliver. 2. Once the khutbah is completed, Muslims congratulate each other on the occasion of Eid, and it's customary to visit family and friends and celebrate together.